Hmm. I'm really bored. I don't know what I can do. I really want to have like a pet that I can hang out with. Let me ask Rexy. Rexy! Yeah? What do you want, Blizzard? Do you think that we should ask Mom for a pet? Yeah, definitely. I really want a pet. It would look so cool. Yeah, I agree too. But the problem is she wouldn't let us. We'll just ask her and see what she says. Alright, I'll go ask her. Hey! Hey! Mom! Mom! Yeah, Mom! Mom! What do you want? Mom, we were asking if we could get a pet. If I let you get a pet. What about me, Mom? Share the pet, goddammit. Okay. But if I let you get a pet, what will I get out of it? I will never bother you again while you're drinking beer. That sounds like a good idea. Come on, let's go get a pet. Yeah! Alrighty, we're here. We're here. Okay, Mom. What pet should I get? Okay, Mom, what pet should I get? Well, I don't see no pets over here, so I guess you just have to stick with nothing. Aww. Alright, Rexy, let's go. Okay. Mom, but are we sure you cannot get a pet? If there was a pet, I would have gotten this for you. Right? Mom, what's that? Maybe it's a pet. Alright, let's see. Is that a pet? I'm not getting him because he's biting me. Come on, Mom, please. Let's get him, please. Fine, let's get him. Stop. Alright, let's go to the registers. Let's go to the registers. Alright, Mom. Hey, mister. Hey, sir, we would like to buy this pet. Okay, that will be $2. Alright, fine. Here it goes. You shut up before I kick you and I throw you in the trash bins. Aww. Hey, Rexy! Yeah, come out of the car now. Yeah? We're getting a monkey! We're getting a monkey! Really? That's so amazing! I really want a monkey. Rexy, what did you do? I bit his arm because he was annoying. You said that you wanted a monkey. Don't bite him next time. And wait. Okay. Wait. Is that you, Chip? Yeah, that's me. I'm just trying to get some extra money from this job. Alright, well, I'll see you later. We just got a pet monkey, so better if I come home. Okay, let's go! Yeah, come on, let's go. Sweet mother truckers. Alright, we back, Holmes. Now you don't talk to me while I'm drinking my beers. Alright, got it, Mom. Got it. I said I got it, Mom. All those Alzheimer's getting on my nerves again. Alright, here you go. Bye. Yay, we have a pet monkey! Yay, we have a pet monkey! Yay! Yeah, I can't believe we have a pet monkey. Yeah, I can't believe it too. Come here. Come in here, Mr. Monkey. Seems like he doesn't want to come. I'll go search for him. Alright, I'll go search. Let me go search for him. Let me go search for the monkey. Okay, I'm gonna just wait here. Hello, Mr. Monkey. How you doing? I can't understand a word you saying. But anyway, wanna play? You just wait there. I'm gonna go get you a tooth. Here. I got you some bones. I got you some bones, Mr. Monkey. Ow! Get these out of here. Why did you show that at me, Mr. Monkey? Roxy, come in here. What's the problem, man? Mr. Monkey threw some bones at me. He's a monkey. He likes bananas, not bones. Wait, he does? Obviously, he's a monkey. He doesn't like bananas. No, he likes bananas, but not bones. Look, he's getting excited when I say bananas. Bananas. You see? He's getting happy when I say bananas. Alright, so go get him a banana. Alright, fine. I'm going to sleep over here. What? What are you doing, Mr. Monkey? What's wrong? See? Blizzard, he bit me. Anyways, what do you mean, anyways? He bit me. But anyways, do you think that we should name him? Okay, let's name him. So, what should we name Mr. Monkey? I think we should name him Mr. Monkey. That's a good name. Give me a second. Let me go get his bananas. I'm getting his bananas. Here you go, Mr. Monkey. There's your banana. Alright, Blizzard, come on the couch. Come on the couch, Blizzard, come on. Alright, I'm gonna just go sleep, so I'll see you later, guys. Okay, Mr. Monkey, here's your banana. Here's your banana, Mr. Monkey. Like the banana. Yeah, banana, good. All right, now you guys. gotta promise me to not make too much noise. Oh, yes. All right, Mr. Monkey. So I'll see you later. I'm just gonna sleep and do nothing. Wait, what's that?